Earlier this summer, Adidas released the Ozweego Pride in celebration of Pride Month. Now down here in Austin, they celebrate Pride in August, so to have it celebrated in June was always kind of a big, crazy thing to me, but from what I understand, you can celebrate Pride any month of the year. I thought this shoe released a week or so ago, but according to internet, it says it released in June in celebration of Pride Month, which is normally in June around the country. But other websites I read say it came out in August, so I don't know. All I know is I just got the shoe. I really like it. So today, we're going to talk about the adidas Ozweego Pride. The Ozweego Pride reimagines a look from the 90s that celebrates LGBTQ pride. A rainbow of colors fades across the chunky outsole of these shoes. The upper shows off mesh and suede with tubing details for a futuristic look. The forefoot and heel cushioning give you an exceptionally supported ride. On the adidas.com website, they say this shoe typically fits a half size small and to choose half a size up from a regular size. Now for me, I ordered true to size, which is a size 9, and I think that fits pretty comfortably to my foot. I don't have a wide foot, I have more of a normal foot, some would say closer to a narrow foot, so I don't know. But some of the reviews I read say this shoe fits really nicely to those who have wide feet. All that to say is I don't know what size to get because Adidas tells you differently. Personally, I say go true to size. The website, however, says to go half a size up. This silhouette can be found on adidas.com in sizes ranging from a size 8 to a size 14 men's, and it retails for 110 US American dollars. Now yes, this shoe looks like a poor man's version of the Yeezy 500. Why? Because, well, the midsole and the outsole is adiprene, which to me is fairly comfortable and was one of the good things about that silhouette, the Yeezy 500 silhouette. However, I had two different colorways of that silhouette and I sold them both. I just really didn't dig it. I just really didn't feel like I was gonna wear it that often. It was a cool look, an eclectic look, but I think the Ozweego really hits the mark on what that shoe was trying to be. It has the same adiprene midsole and outsole, albeit in different colors, and it has a mesh suede upper, not nearly as bug looking as the Yeezy 500. It feels great. It's super light. This shoe is very light, very light. Not saying the Yeezy 500 was heavy, but this feels significantly lighter than that shoe. On the bottom of the shoe, you find that adiprene outsole, black rubber on the bottom, but you also see that rainbow color fade, an ombre, if you will, mimicking the pride flag. Looking at the midsole from the front of the shoe to the back of the shoe, the colors bleed, ombre, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple, violet. Whatever the colors of the rainbow names are, I do not know. I just know Roy G. Biv, so we're gonna go with that one. Also, a similar fade in the plastic piping that makes up part of the lacing system and then wraps around the ankle area of the shoe. You have orange, you have yellow, you have a dark blue, and then that purple on the back. To me, those hints of color in the plastic piping, super cool. I really like it. I like how it matches the midsole and it brings some of that color up from the bottom up to the top. The three stripes are stitched onto the mesh upper. The middle of it is white. The second layer of color is a baby blue, and then the outside is in yellow. You can see the lacing system is sort of a cream beige suede material around the lacing system and two swatches around the heel of the shoe. You will also find this suede material on the lateral and medial side of the shoe underneath the three stripes connecting you to the midsole. The remainder of the shoe is made up of a cream mesh material, and you find this all on the front of the toe box, all the way to the middle of the shoe and the back of the shoe. However, it goes to more of a white material on the back heel of the shoe. Wrapping up the shoe, you have a white tumbled leather tongue, and on it is stamped the Adidas Trefoil logo and branding in gray. Wrapping it all up are white rope laces, which I actually find to be a little short. I guess this shoe is either meant to be tightened much more or to be spaghetti strapped kind of look to the laces a la Kanye Yeezy West. It's not Boost. I know that's what we have to think about now when we're talking about comfort. How does it compare to Boost? Look, it's not Boost. It's an entirely different type of comfortable. If you don't like squishy, 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 then you're going to like this. It has just the right amount of squish thick maybe. and it's a light shoe. Not saying you can run in it, not saying you can work out in it. I don't do either of those things. So for what I do, which is live life style, this shoe's perfect. As always, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think about this silhouette and this colorway. The Ozweego's making a comeback. Triple black, triple white, some crazy colors. We can thank Raf Simons for that. We can thank Yeezy for that. But it's a great silhouette. I love this colorway. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. To all of you out there, wherever you are, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and just chill till the next episode.